Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest and most intriguing developments in the world of technology. Today, we're exploring an exciting new player in the web browser arena, Ladybird. Now, you might not have heard of it yet, and that's exactly why we're here. So what sets Ladybird apart from the countless other browsers we know and love? Well, it's all about independence and innovation. Ladybird is built using a novel engine that adheres to web standards, which is pretty cool. You know, it's in its early days, specifically pre-alpha, which means it's not quite ready for the average user yet. Think of it as a teenager just starting to find its footing, lots of potential, but still working out the kinks. Now, one of the standout features of Ladybird is its multi-process architecture. What does that mean? Well, unlike some browsers that might have a single point of failure, Ladybird separates its tasks into different processes. There's a main UI process, separate processes for rendering web content, decoding images, and even managing network requests. This approach is not only more efficient, but also more secure. Each tab runs in its own sandboxed renderer process, which is a major plus when it comes to protecting against malicious content. And here's where it gets really interesting: the technical backbone. Ladybird incorporates several components that are inherited from Serenity OS, another project that aims to create a secure and user-friendly operating system. For instance, it uses libweb as its web rendering engine and libjs as its JavaScript engine. They've even included support for web standards like WebAssembly, allowing developers to run high-performance applications right in the browser. So, let's think about the implications here. With all these robust libraries, libcrypto for security, libmedia for media playback, and libgfx for graphics rendering, Ladybird is positioning itself as a modern, fully featured browser. Yet it's still in that building phase, right? Developers are actively encouraged to get involved. There's a whole community waiting on Discord for those who want to dive in, whether to discuss development or contribute to the project. Can you imagine the possibilities? As the browser evolves, it could redefine how we think about safety and efficiency online. But of course, this project is only in its infancy, and early adopters need to be prepared for bugs and unfinished features. Before we wrap up, let's leave you with a thought. What do you think the future holds for browsers like Ladybird? Are we ready for fresh options that challenge the status quo? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So that's it for today's episode. If you're a developer, consider checking out Ladybird and maybe even contributing. Remember, every big project starts with a small step. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time for more tech insights.